Welcome to our channel and welcome to another stock market analysis. Today is third week of December and our index weekly candle is down by 1.92%. Nagkaroon ng resistance dito sa 20-day moving average. So ito yung level na we wanted to see an initial breakout para ma-establish nyo yung momentum niya moving towards the upward direction. Kaso yun nga, nagkaroon siya ng resistance dito sa taas nung Darvas box natin. And also this 20-day moving average na respect niya yung resistance level niya. So next week, tignan natin if ano yung susunod na galaw ng index. If i-break out na niya ba itong 6,000 pesos level or magkakaroon muna ng consolidation dito sa area na 'to bago siya magkaroon ng continuation move. Either yon i-break out na niya or mag-stay muna siya inside the box. So, let us proceed naman with our 5 selected stocks to feature sa video natin today. First on our list is Monday. Monday is a requested stocks dito sa comment sections natin. Personally, hindi ko gusto yung mga ganitong stock formation. I usually stay away sa mga stocks na downtrend yung move. And I don't see the stock na mag-shift ng move anytime from now. Yung mga candlesticks niya kasi nandito siya sa baba nung moving averages natin, which for me is a sign of a strong bearish direction. So for our short-term analysis, pwede tayo mag-cut ng maliit na Darvas box dito. Then meron tayong dalawang scenario, either i-break niya yung top nung Darvas box or i-break down niya 'tong lower ng part ng box natin. So, yung upper box natin 'pag na-breakout niya, possible magkaroon ng resistance initially dito sa 20-day moving average up until dito sa ₱7 na psychological price level. Then yung isang senaryo nga natin is 'pag nabutas naman itong initial Darvas box natin, then possible magkaroon ng support dito sa ₱5 psychological price level then dito yung magiging mga plotted resistance and support natin for Monday. Next on our analysis is ICT or International Container Terminal Services. This week medyo malaki-laki 'tong drop ni ICT. Nagkaroon siya ng correction around -9.92%. So, bumalik ulit siya dito sa initial Darvas box natin. Ito yung initial Darvas box natin. Bumalik siya dito sa loob ng platted box natin. Then, our initial resistance for this stock is around this ₱630 price level. And yung magiging support natin would be this 20-day moving average, the initial support natin after nung breakout niya dito sa box. Dito siya magkakaroon ng support. Then if intact naman yung pagiging bullish ni ICT, puwede tayong makakita ng bounce next week if ever na yung candle is lumapit-lapit sa 20-day moving average natin. And possible I expect na magkakaroon ng bounce dito sa area na 'to 'pag napalapit siya sa 20-day moving average. Pero if the market says otherwise, we might see the next candle breaking down the 20-day moving average. Then crucial talaga dito yung 20-day moving average ni ICT. So 'pag na-breakout niya 'to, possible yun umabot pa siya dito sa susunod na resistance natin dito sa around 482 price level. Yun yung mga babantayan natin for ICT. Next natin is Manila Electric Company. Si Manila Electric Company, almost similar with ICT din. Ayan, bumalik siya dun sa initial platted Darvas box natin. And I expect na mag-consolidate muna siya dito sa area na 'to. Initial support would be this 20-day moving average. And otherwise yun nga 'pag bumaba pa siya ng 20-day moving average puwede siyang umabot dito hanggang sa, um, lower part ng box ng Darvas box na. So, we will see next week kung ano ba yung direction yung magiging mas pabor for Mer or for the traders if magkakaroon ba siya ng pagbaba or magkaroon na muna siya ng consolidation and attempt na mag-breakout for, bullish direction. Next on our list is APX, Apex Mining Corporation. So, si APX naman nag-breakout siya dito sa initial Latin Darvas box natin, 2 box natin nagkaroon siya ng breakout and if malakas-lakas talaga si APX, I expect these stocks to move as high as here dito sa ₱14, most especially ₱14 yung puwede nating flat as our psychological price level resistance din. Then yung support naman would be around ₱9 sa baba nung initial Darvas box natin and around that's ₱9 kasi ito yung nagiging psychological price level din ni APX sa support area. So, si APX naman bullish yung ano niya, yung formation niya kasi above, moving averages, yung mga candlesticks niya. So, possible if malakas talaga si APX magkaroon ng continuation. But we will see next week kung ano yung next move ng mga candle niya or what would be the next formation or APX. Last on our list is RLC, Robinsons Land Corporation. So, si RLC naman, nagkaroon ng resistance dito sa 16.33. Actually, si 16.33 meron 'tong triple top resistance 'to, sa area na 'to. So, malakas talaga yung resistance, from these areas. So, possible scenarios na makita natin is magkaroon muna siya ng consolidation dito and ma-maintain niya yung bullish direction niya or bullish position niya. Then magkakaroon siya ng attempt na i-breakout na niya 'to 16.33. And ayun, especially yung chart formation niya nakita natin na above na ng moving averages candle niya. So, it shows na strong bullish yung potential direction niya. Pero yun, we will see next week if, magkakaroon ba ng continuation or magkaroon muna ng consolidation or babalik siya sa initial Darvas box niya. So, we will see next week if alin yung magiging sagot ng market niya sa atin. So, ayun patapos na yung 2025 and I hope and I pray na you watching this video had a great journey sa market natin ngayon. So, mapa-profitable ka man or you are still a work in progress, pag-sharpen mo sa mga strategies na ginagamit mo with your trading. Always remember na walang madaling journey, especially here in trading. Pero what I guarantee you is that life goes on and we just have to try to have that joy dito sa borrowed time natin from God. If you think na you are going nowhere, think again, you are not. You will be on top of your journey. And yun lamang. Thank you for watching and I hope meron kayong napulot with this video. If you find this helpful, you can like the video and subscribe sa channel natin. So, ayun, see you sa susunod na video natin and God bless.